Here's a video on how to operate the VPI HW-17 record cleaning machine. So out of the back, this is the drain tube. This should be locked off during normal use. We'll open the cover. This is the cleaning brush, and notice that it's raised up, and when it comes over the record, it locks into position. That is the cleaning position. You lift up and move that out of the way. And here is the vacuum wand. This is spring loaded. When the vacuum is on, it will suck it down. When the vacuum is off, it will lift up. On the bottom side of this are the velour brushes that are used to clean the album. So we remove the nut here. Get an album that needs cleaning. Okay, place the album on the mat. Make sure this is nice and tight to keep the album from spinning. We bring the brush over the album. Now, I do not like to let it dry brush, so I give it a quick squirt. And then at about 180 degrees, I'll squirt again. I do rotation backwards, reverse first. Give it another squirt here. And you can see that that's coating the album. And once the album is fully coated, I'll put it back to the normal rotation. Okay, I'm going to bring the vacuum arm, which is not touching the album at this point. I'm going to lift and take the brush out of the way, and I will vacuum for one rotation. Notice the arm pops up when it's done. Stop rotation. I'll do the other side, and you can see how quickly it is to do both sides. Turn the album over, back down, clamp back on, brush into position, give it a quick squirt, reverse, one more squirt, looks like it's good. Normal rotation. Move the vacuum arm in. Move the brush out of the way. And voila, two-sided clean.